Analysis-S45. Now, Bidens rule. Yeah, also we derived in the previous slide the formula for Bidens rule using a Newton's forward interpolations. Here we derived some formula for Bidens rule and some few examples. See, Bidens rules. In the same way in the Newton's forward interpolations, if you take a difference if n equal to length, if I put n equal to 6 in the Newton's quadrature formula, neglecting all the difference of order here than 6 we get. So integral of x0 to x0 plus 6h f of x dx equal to h of 6 y0 plus 18 delta y0 plus 27 del square y0 plus 24 del cube y0 plus 123 by 10 del raised to 4 y0 plus 33 by 10 del raised to 5 y0 plus 41 by 140 del raised to 6 y0. Actually, this is get 42 by 140. So we replace 41 by 140 del square y0 should be replaced. This is the value is 42 by 140 del raised to 6 y0 by changing the error introduced only for h by 140 del raised to 6 y0. So here this is the very higher derivative term is required up to 6. So this is the formula arrived here. This is replacing the term in the previous slide. We already know the method to derive this formula. So here, which is the negligible when h and del raised to 6 y0 are very small. So higher derivative form is almost negligible. So in the form. So therefore integral of x0 to x0 plus 6h f of x dx should be equal to 3h by 10 y0 plus 5 times of y1 plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus 5 times of y5 plus y6. See, this lastly we get this form. So if we come to the few examples in the problem in the form of problems, so first given functions and divide this number of given the number of interval to find the y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 like that. Then we come to this some simple example similarly with the form of integral run from x0 plus 6h to x0 plus 12h f of x is. So 3h by 10, y6 plus 5, y7 plus y8 plus 6, y9 plus y10 plus 5, y11 plus y12 and so on. See, adding this term here, the integral should be x0 to x0 plus nh, where n is a multiple of 6. See, the difference is x0 to 6h to x0 12h, x0 12h to x0 18h. So x0 18h to x0 24h. This is the interval differences should be 6 times. So adding all this integral form x0 to x0 plus nh, where n is a multiple of 6, we get integral of x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx is 3h by 10 y0 plus 5 y1 plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus 5 times of y5 plus 2 times of 6 y6 plus 5 times of y7 plus y8 plus etc. So not in the continuing form. This is the way. That's the way. If highest study does raised to 6 y0 yn is needed. Y0 is needed. So this is higher derivative. So 3h by 10 y0 plus 5 y1 plus y2 plus 6 y3 plus y4 plus 5 y5 plus 2 y6 plus 5 y7 plus y8 plus etc. This is formula is the little rules. If you take a simple problems in the way to method of calculating the formula, see, evaluate integral of 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x using Wilder rules. See, we don't know h. If we take h should be equal to 1 by 6. Let function f of x is 1 by 1 plus x. The values of f of x for the point of the subdivisions as follow. If x is 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 1. So I need that's in the previous I told in the previous slide. So it's not given the intervals. I want to need some intervals. We take a number of intervals will be 4 or 6, 8 form. So divide that you needed that should be equal to 1 by that times means 1 by 8 times in 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 4 if I 8 like if you want to make it's not larger, it's not lower. If we take 1 by a small interval means means if we take number of intervals to be 6, take 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6 form. See that is where if it x is to be 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, and 1. So corresponding values of f of x should be equal to, if x is 0, the corresponding y f of x should be equal to 1. If x is 1 by 6, the corresponding values of f of x is 0.8571. If x is 2 by 6, the corresponding y value should be equal to 0.75. If x is 3 by 6, the corresponding value should be 0.6667. If x is 4 by 6, the corresponding value should be equal to 0.6. If x is 5 by 6, the corresponding value should be 0.5455. If x is 1, the corresponding value is 0.5. So if x lies between 0 to 1, the corresponding value should be lies between 1 to 0.5. This is the range here. So that is if it by the rules you say integral run from 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x. The formula 3h divided by 10 of y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6. So substituting the values of 3 h is 1 by 6. See h is 3. So substituting 3 into 1 by 6 divided by 10. So 3 into 1 by 6, 3 by 1 by we get 3 1s are 3 2s are suddenly 1 by 2 get 1 by 2 divided by 10. So suddenly 1 by 20 get. So y0 should be 1 plus 5 times of y1 is 0.8571 plus y2 is 0.75 plus 6 times of y3 is 6 times of 0.6667 plus y4 is 0.6 plus 5 times of y5 is 0.5455 plus last y6 is 0.5. Totally we are simplifying and evaluated, we get the values 0.69320. This is the values. By using the Wilder formula, we get the values should be equal to integral of 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x is 0.69320. We come to the one more problems. Calculator integral run from 4 to 5.2 log x by using Wilder rule. So is given the in the form. So x is 4. So take this, the interval should be 0.2 in the form. So number of divisions should be equal to subdivisions should be either 6, either 8, either 10 in the form. So here taking 6, so 0.4, 4.0, 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4.8, 5, 5.2. So each h difference should be 0.2. So whether integral of the if x is 4, corresponding values of log x is 1.38629. If x is 4.2, the corresponding values of log x is 1.43508. If x is 4.4, the corresponding values of log x is 1.48160. If x is 4.6, the corresponding values of log x is 1.52605. If x is 4.8, the corresponding values of log x is 1.56861. If x is 5, the corresponding values of log x is 1.60943. So x is 5.2, the corresponding values of log x is 1.64865. So this is the way. So we get a y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. So if we take a Wilder rule formula, integral from 4 to 5.2 log x dx is 3h by 10 of y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6. So substituting the all value 3, what is HUR difference you have taken? See 4, 4.2, 4.4 like that. So h difference should be 0.2. So substitute h should be equal 3 into 0.2 divided by 10. Y0 is 1.38629 plus 5 times of y1 is 1.43508 plus y2 is 1.48160 plus 6 times of y3. So y3 is 1.52605 plus y4 is 1.56861 plus 5 times of y5 is 1.60943 plus y6. Substituting, so totally we get 1.82784. 1.82784. So that is integral run from 4 to 5.2 log x dx. In the method of Euler rule, we get 1.82784. We come to the one more problem in the same form, but evaluate integral from 4 to 5.2 log x base e dx, taking 6 equal parts. See here, n is given 6 equal part. By applying the Euler rule, yeah, is h is, so the end point and terminal a in the interval is given 4 to 5.2. So that is end point is 5.2. The beginning point is 4. Means h is taken 5.2 minus 4 divided by 6. The number of needed, the number of subdivisions should be 6. We get, so 5.6, 5.2 minus 4 divided by 6. Suddenly point we get. So h difference should be equal to 0.2. The number of intervals should be n is 6. So suddenly x is 4. First interval should be 4. So starting from 4. A is 4. So 4. If x naught is given, x naught plus h, x naught plus 2h, x naught plus 3h, like that. So x naught is 4. X naught plus h is 0.2. So suddenly we get 4.2. If x naught is x naught plus 2h, so suddenly 4.4 we get 4.6, 4.8, 5, 5.2. So corresponding values of log x is a natural logarithm. So corresponding values of log x base e should be 1. If x is 4, the corresponding values of log x is 1.3863. If x is 4.2, the corresponding log x is 1.4351. If x is 4.4, the corresponding values of log x is 1.4816. If x is 4.6, the corresponding values of log x is 1.5261. If x is 4.8, the corresponding values of log x is 1.5686. If x is 5, the corresponding values of log x is 1.6094. If x is 5.2, the corresponding values of log x is 1.6487. Therefore, we call this y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Substituting the formula, log integral of 0 to 4 to 5.2 log x base e dx should be equal to 3h divided by 10 of y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6. So substituting, so 3 times of h is 0.2. So 0.2. So h is 0.2. So substituting 3 times of 0.2 divided by 10 of y0 is 1.3863 plus 5 times of y1 is 1.4351 plus y2 is 1.4816 plus 6 times of y3. So y3 is 1.5261 plus y4 is 1.5686 plus 5 times of y5 is, so 1.6094 plus y6 is 1.6487. Substituting totally by using the scientific calculator, substituting all the value, we get 1.8279. Therefore, integral of run from 4 to 5.2 log x dx by using the Euler rules, we get the values 1.8279. This is the way you are finding. So in the trapezoidal rule, 1 by third rule, Simpson 1 by third rule, 3 by eighth rule, and Euler rules. So here, whatever may be in the numerical way, use the good scientific calculator. So that is the way we getting the approximate value, the